This is the easiest roasted zucchini recipe that just works. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. Here I have some medium zucchinis that I've already washed, and you can wash them one by one or throw them all in a bowl. Give them a good wash, rinse them well, and dry them with a kitchen towel. Now I'm simply going to slice these into rounds like this, and to do that I'm going to trim my ends. I like to trim a little bit of the front and just a tad from the end, and then once on my board I'm going to slice them into about a 1/4 inch thick round. This is important because slicing them evenly helps all of your zucchini rounds cook at the same time. Now you could also cut these into half moons or chunks, but I prefer rounds because that's a lot less to chop. Now I'm gonna season my zucchini rounds the easy way. In a large bowl, I'm gonna place them all in there. Then I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil over the top. For 2 zucchinis, this is about 2 tablespoons or so. Then I'm gonna season them with salt, some pepper, and garlic powder. With your hands, you wanna toss them around to coat them well and separate them so every round gets some of that seasoning. And then I am going to transfer this onto a baking sheet. Now what's important here is that you spread these out in the pan and there's enough room in between all the rounds for the heat to come through so they don't get soggy. Now my oven has been preheating to 450 Fahrenheit and that top rack was in the middle so I can stick my zucchinis in there, and they're gonna cook between 7 and 10 minutes depending how thick or thin you cut your rounds. And then when they're nice, a little bit golden on the edges, I'm going to take my pan out and these beauties are ready. Now these are perfect as they are, but if you wanted a Parmesan crust, all you have to do is take your spatula and pull them close together, and then take some Parmesan cheese and do a light sprinkle right over the top. I'm gonna return these to the oven to broil quickly for about 2 minutes, just keeping an eye on it. And when the Parmesan is nice and golden brown, I'll take them out. With or without Parmesan, this roasted zucchini is super easy to make and it's a perfect side dish. If you love this type of recipes, make sure to watch this one next. See you next time.